This is how to drive more sales to your digital products from someone with a lot of experience. This is your cheat sheet. Implement CTAs for purchasing. These are just calls to action to make people actually purchase your product. If you're not telling them to purchase your product, they're not actually going to. You want to make sure that you're optimizing your product listings for visibility. So this means keywords, SEO, making your descriptions super descriptive so people understand what they're getting. Use social proof and use customer reviews and testimonials. You can also offer limited time promotions or discounts to push sales. If you know me, you know I'm the biggest email list advocate. Email lists are so underrated, and you build a direct communication with your audience and you can sell directly to them. Create a lead magnet and create an email list right now. Okay, well, maybe after this video is over. If you want to go further, send targeted personalized product recommendations to the consumers. This is so important because you need their email. You get the point. Also, product bundles are really popular. Think like buy one, get one free. Obviously, you're more inclined to purchase if you're getting something. Marketing, really important. Use social media, use your email list. And then track your behavior. Analytics are so important and they're so underrated. On Pillar, the analytics are so good and I absolutely love them. And then from those analytics, you want to be constantly optimizing your sales and strategy based on those insights.